Look, guys, what is happening. Winter is back. Snowing and very, very cold. Hello guys and welcome to Different Russia channel. The winter is back. Almost Christmas. Look how much snow we have during one day.
Ой, ребят, насыпало.
Yeah, that is, guys, during one day. How much that? 15 centimeters?
Да, 20 сантиметров где-то.
20?
Ну, в районе 20, ну да, вот так вот.
Alex says approximately 20 centimeters.
15, может быть.
Maybe 15. That is Sheffy. Christmas Sheffy. I should say pirate reindeer. Yeah, let's go for a walk, guys. I'm, guys, with my umbrella to protect the camera.
Ёлку снимем.
Honestly speaking, guys, had no intentions to go out because I do not feel well. And Alex went for a walk with Sheffy and called me, take your camera and go outside. Here is Christmas.
Радуется снегу.
Sheffy now is in his plastic cone collar because we protect his eye. At the moment we are not afraid, so but see what is he doing. 2 days ago he was doing like this and put a lot of dust into his eye. His wounded eye was in soil. Catastrophe. That was, guys, a nightmare. Sheffy!
Прикольно так.
Sheffy! Оп, оп. Sheffy, you're like a tractor. Местный экскаватор.
Скажи, что сейчас в районе 10 вечера. И светло, снега много насыпало.
At the moment, guys, is about 10 o'clock in the evening. I just loaded an episode and went for a walk. Now, guys, at the moment, the same picture as you just saw on the car. Here is about 15 centimeters of snow. You see? About 15 centimeters. And what will be in the morning? Oh, транспортный коллапс. Yeah, транспортный коллапс. Luckily, guys, we are still on winter tires because Alex did not trust the warm weather that we had during 2 weeks.
Ничего не было, сухие были дороги.
Yeah. Yesterday, guys, yesterday the road was clean. Asphalt on the road, no snow.
Смотри, сколько на этих самых. Да ёлка.
Alex, as we do not have epidemic sound music at the moment, you must sing a song for us, some Christmas song. Спой что-нибудь новогоднее.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Oh, wonderful.
Снега, видишь, это самое, как они сильно поднимаются.
Yeah.
Раз, видишь, поднимается.
Yeah. Without lipomas, it is such a fun to run. And also the magnet collar helps, guys. Sheffield is wearing it almost constantly. Let's go, guys, closer to our city church. Usually it has a wonderful illumination in the evening, and I will show you how beautiful it is in the evening light. Not very many people outside, but not very cold. Come on, Sheffy. And here even more than in our yard. Sheffy, come on. Sheffy, like a kid, enjoys snow. As for adults, they do not like it. Someone was doing snow angels. Yeah. In such snow, that is fun. The snow is very soft and clean.